2020 Ram 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: 4-wheel drive, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.